Subscribe my channel for GK. Who has been appointed as the first woman judge of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh? Answer is Justice Lisa Gill. Which state government has launched the CM Inspire scheme for UPSC exam clearers? Answer is Meghalaya. Which country has launched Europe's first fully integrated lithium project? Answer is Finland. Who has won the title of IBSF World Billiards Championship 2026? Answer is Saurav Kothari. The President of the 80th session of the United Nations General Assembly has come to India on a visit. What is her name? Answer is Annalena Baerbock. Which mission has been launched by the Reserve Bank of India to improve governance and capacity building to urban cooperative banks? Answer is Mission Saksham. Who has given the Sahitya Academy Award in Hindi? Answer is Mamta Kalia. Which mission has been launched by the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on the 38th Foundation Day of SEBI? Answer is Mission Jagruk. What is the name of the President of Vietnam? Answer is To Lam. What will be the name of the movie Battle of Galwan? Answer is Matribhumi. Where has the longest expressway of Uttar Pradesh been inaugurated? Answer is Hardoi. Which country has secured the first position in the ISSF Junior World Cup 2026? Answer is India. Former British Airways chief has been appointed the new CEO of Indigo. What is his name? Answer is William Walsh. Who is the Indian badminton player who has taken charge as a member of the Badminton World Federation Council? Answer is PV Sindhu. Where does India rank in terms of military spending? Answer is fifth. Recently, in which state did BJP win for the first time? Answer is West Bengal. In which country are the 2026 Thomas and Uber Cups being inaugurated? Answer is Denmark. The Congress-led alliance won in Kerala. What is its name? Answer is United Democratic Front. Who has been awarded the prestigious Breakthrough Prize in Mathematics for 2026? Answer is Frank Marley. Where have DRDO and the Indian Navy launched the first salvo of the naval anti-ship missile short range from a helicopter? Answer is Chandipur, Odisha. Which project has Trump launched for the safe passage of ships through Hormuz? Answer is Project Freedom. Who has been appointed as a brand ambassador for the Formula First program in India? Answer is Shreyas Iyer. Who has been appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India? Answer is Rohit Jain. Which new battalion was formed in the army after Operation Sindoor? Answer is Bhairav. Which country has become the 33rd in the world generate electricity using nuclear energy? Answer is Bangladesh. Which platform has SEBI implemented to enhance investor protection and transparency? Answer is Past Risk and Return Verification Agency. The US has announced the end of its military mission against Iran. What is its name? Answer is Epic Fury. Where will India's first commercial seaplane airline be launched? Answer is Lakshadweep. Which state's cabinet has approved the implementation of the AI Policy 2026? Answer is Maharashtra. Which rocket was used to launch the mission Drishti satellite? Answer is Falcon 9. Who has been honored with the title of Metro Woman of the Year? Answer is Sushma Yadav. Which institution monitors the current water situation in the country's reservoirs? Answer is Central Water Commission. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Central Board of Film Certification? Answer is Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Which ministry has notified the Citizenship Amendment Rules 2026? Answer is the Ministry of Home Affairs. Who has been appointed as the Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog? Answer is Ashok Kumar Lahiri. Who has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited? Answer is Ravi Kota. Which mobile app has the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment launched for the Bagri Free India initiative? Answer is Smile Bagri Survey app. Which country does the S-400 missile defense system belong to? Answer is Russia. Who has unveiled the Atlas drone swarm system? Answer is China. Where has India's first MLFF tolling system been launched? Answer is Gujarat. Which country had decided to withdraw from the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries? Answer is UAE. Who has become the first player to score 9,000 runs in IPL history? Answer is Virat Kohli. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2026? Answer is 157. Who has been appointed as the interim director of AIMS Delhi? Answer is Dr. Nikhil Tandon. Who has been honored with the Sur Jyotsna National Music Award 2026? Answer is Lakshman Krishna Rao or Sumitra Guha. Who has assumed charge as the Controller General of Defense Accounts? Answer is Anugrah Naran Das. Which new political party has Navjot Kaur Sidhu announced? Answer is Bharatiya Rashtrwadi Party. Who has become the first woman full-time member of Niti Aayog from the Northeast? Answer is Dr. Joram Ania. In which Indian state is India's first green methanol plant being set up? Answer is Gujarat.